dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is Lexis lesson 11-12 discussion. That means from Lexis Smart Grammar Book, lesson 11 and 12. This is our discussion. This is our today's topic. So let's start our class. Students, just look here. Look at the board. This is lesson 11. Lesson 11, this is rhyming words. The chapter's title is rhyming words. So what is rhyming words? Rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end of both words. Rhyming words are the words that sound the same at the end of both words. They do not need to have the same spelling to rhyme. For example, cat and hat. They are the rhyming words. That means when we pronounce, they actually seem rhyming. So they are the rhyming words. Now there are two examples from this chapter. The first example is example A. Circle the word that rhyme with the picture. Color the picture. Students, you have to color the picture. So the first one, number 1, just look here, number 1. Number 1 is what rhymes with ball? Bat, ball, well. So ball, it rhymes, wall. Ball, well. Number 2, what rhymes with fish? F-I-S-H, fish. What rhymes with fish? Foot, sheep and dish. Out of these three, fish actually rhymes with dish. They are the rhyming words. Fish and dish are the rhyming words. Number 3, what rhymes with tent? Ten, bent, want. So, what are the rhyming words? Tent, tent, no. Tent, bent, tent, want. So, it will be tent, bent. So, tent, bent is the correct word. Tent, bent are the rhyming words. Number 4, what rhymes with duck, luck, back, lock? So here duck and luck are the rhyming words. Now number 5. Number 5 is what rhymes with shell? Spell, spill, shell. It is spell, shell, spell. So shell and spell, they are the rhyming words. Now go to the next page. Exercise number B. Draw lines to match the rhyming words. Just look, there are some pictures, and under the picture their names are mentioned here. Snake, parrot, chair, tree, hat, cat, tree, cake, here at carrot. At first this is snake. Snake. Snake actually rhymes with cake. So just match this verse. Snake, cake. Snake cake. This is wrong actually. This is wrong. It will be snake cake. This is wrong, students. The correct is snake cake. This is the correct. Now parrot, carrot. Parrot, carrot. Chair, here. Tree, tree. Hat, cat. Okay, students, they are the rhyming words. Now the next lesson, this is lesson 12. Go to the next page. This is actually pairing words. Lesson 12, this is called pairing words. What are pairing words? Some words in English always go together as one. Such words are called pairing words. For example, pen and paper. That means some words actually go together as one. So they are called the pairing words, such as bread and butter, fork and spoon, shoes and socks, chair and table, sun and moon, salt and pepper, pen and paper, tea and coffee, hot and cold. Okay, they are the pairing words. Now here is the exercise. Match the pairing words. Students, here this is match the pairing words. Here, cup, saucer. Paper, pen. Eraser, pencil. Card, camera. Okay, so they are the pairing words. Okay students, that's all for today. See you. Allah Hafiz.